So I got your question in the email. Use a standard normal table or technology to find the z-score here. So you want the cumulative area corresponds to what z-score. So they give you this area here, and that'll be area to the left. I know that since they're saying they use a table. So again, on this one, I like to use StatCrunch. You go into Stat, Calculators. I choose the normal calculator. It's a z-score, so you want to leave the mean at 0 and standard deviation at 1. And this number here is, corresponding to this area that's in red. And so this time, you got to type that area in, 0.8971. You click compute, and, here's the z-score they're looking for. It looks like it's 1.27. They say go to 3 places. That would be what, 1.265. So I'm showing you can use the calculator or table. StatCrunch pretty easy to use, though. Hope this helps.